Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 5 power k equals k power 625, solving for the value of k that will satisfy this equation. That means that we'll make the left hand side of this equation here to be the same as just as the right hand side. So what we are going to do is to start by eliminating k from here. So I will simply have 5 to the power of k. In order to eliminate this k, I'm going to multiply this exponent by 1 over k. Then equals, I have k power 625. I do the same thing here. I multiply this by 1 over k. Now remember the obvious identity. If you have a power x to the power of y, this equals a power x times y. So that means we have 5 to the power of k over k equals k power, this is 625 divided by k. K eliminates k, we have 1. So we have 5 to the power of 1 equals k to the power of, this is 625 divided by k. Next step will be to eliminate this 625. So we do the same thing. We multiply the exponent by 1 over 625. So we have 5 to the power of, this 1 over 625 equals, this is k power 625 divided by k. And again, we have 1 over 625. So going back to this same identity, a power x power y equals a power x times y. That means I'll simply have 5 power 1 over 625 equals k power 625 times 1. That is 65 divided by k times 65. We have 65k. So right now, this eliminate this. I will simply have 5 to the power of 1 over 65 equals k power, this is 1 over k. So in order to solve this further, we need to ensure that this base here and the exponent are the same. So to achieve that, what we are going to do will be to have this to be 1. We can have 5 to the power of 1 times 1 over 65. We have just inserted 1 here because 1 times 1 over 65 is the same as 1 over 65. So by doing that, you haven't really changed anything. We have equals k power 1 over k. Now, this one here, we are going to make use of the equivalent fraction. Remember 1, the same thing as having 5 over 5. Because the whole essence of doing this is to ensure that this base and this denominator of the exponent are the same. So we are going to replace this one here with 5 over 5. So that means we simply have 5 to the power of, this is 5 over 5. That is 1 times 1 over 65. And this equals k power 1 over k. So what we are going to do is to multiply out 5 times 1, that is 5. So we have 5 power, this is 5, divided by 5 times 65. We have 65 times 5. 5 times 5, 25. 5 carry over 2. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12. 2 carry over 1. 5 times 6, 30 plus 1. We have 31. That's still 1 to 5. And this equals k power 1 over k. I can factor out 5 from here. So I had 5 power, this is 5. Times 1 divided by 3, 1 to 5. Equals k power 1 over k. If you have a power x times y, this equals a power x to the power of y. So this is 5 power 5 to the power of 1 over 3, 1 to 5. Equals k power 1 over k. Now let's find the value of 5 power 5. This is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So this equals, this is 25, this is 125, this is 65, this is 3125. So we have 3125 power 1 over 3125 equals k power 1 over k. So right now we have 3125 here, we have 3125 here, we have k here, we have k here. So we can compare 1 divided by 3125 equals 1 divided by k. If you have 1 over a equals 1 over b, that means you need to cross multiply. Remember, a 3125 is here and it's here, k is here and it's here. So you cross multiply. K times 1, that is k equals 3125 times 1, that is 3125. So our k equals 3125, and that is it. Now we can decide to verify if this particular value of k will satisfy the equation. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's do that right now. We have verify. We have k equals 3125. So we have 5 power k equals k power 625. And our k is 3125. So we have 5 power 3125 equals 3125 power 625. So right now, what we are going to have is this is 5 power 3125 equals 3125 here is 5 to the power of 5, and this is 625. We multiply this out. So we have 5 power 3125 equals, this is 5 to the power of 5 times 625. So if you multiply this out, 5 times 5, that is 25, 5 power over 2. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12, 2 over 1. 5 times 6, 30, plus 1, 31. So 5 power 3125 is the same as 5 power 3125. Left hand side, right hand side are the same. That means solution satisfied. So guys, that is it. Thank you and goodbye.